13 साल बाद रॉकस्टार रिलीज हुई है अभी, री-रिलीज in theater.
Did you go and watch it again?
Of course I went. You can't keep doing that. You have to also separate life and work and preserve yourself. So I'm learning that now. So your observation is accurate, I would say. It's very accurate. Yeah.
ईद का चांद आज बन के भी आई है, प्यारी लग रही है काफी.
6 साल बिता दिए हैं बटर चिकन ढूंढते ढूंढते बॉम्बे में, पर मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिला है.
Hi, this is Anna and you're watching me on Movie Fight. आज की हमारी जो गेस्ट है एकदम cutie and she's so pretty. Let's welcome Sanjana Sanghi.
Thank you.
How have you been?
I've been good. Trying to just get by in the Bombay की बारिश.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
और आप ऐसे मौसम में आए हैं जो भरा हुआ है, पानी से भरा हुआ है.
मतलब literally it's and when you're दिल्ली की लड़की you're not used to this type of बारिश. So even though it's been 6-7 years in Bombay, I'm still getting used to it.
मुंबई शहर ही ऐसा है, क्या कर सकते
हैं? But life goes on.
Life goes on.
Yeah.
I want to talk about. It's been 4 years, 4-year anniversary. दिल बेचारा को 4 साल हो गए हैं. Time flies. It's been 4 years already.
Yeah, it's odd because it feels like sometimes I feel like time flies, but sometimes it also feels like so much has happened in these 4 years. It's been such a adventurous journey. But I feel like every year that day has become the day to just really, like, I make sure to sit down by myself to just reflect and see how far one has come and just relive all the memories of our Dil Bechara experience.
What is this one memory of Dil Bechara which takes you back? ऐसे एकदम flashback लेके जाता है जो आपको.
Actually it's Barish because when we were shooting in Jamshedpur, it was peak monsoon and I remember जब हम तारे गिन शूट कर रहे थे एक कॉलेज में, भयानक मतलब बारिश हो रही थी और it was that, and then the whole crew comes together and you're having hot chai and you're waiting for the rain to stop and Tare Gin was playing on a loudspeaker and it's one of my favorite songs from the album. It's also, I think, Dil Bechara का जो fandom है, वो they are more possessive about the film than, and they own the film more than even any of us. And Tare Gin is definitely the soul of the film for me. So that's the most special memory, I think.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Actually takes all of us back.
Yeah.
बारिश का मौसम चल रहा है तो वो तो full film में है.
बिल्कुल.
है ना?
Exactly.
Talking about 4 years.
Yeah.
अब after 11 years. ये जो time चल रहा है.
हाँ. Anniversaries and.
वो भी दिन थे. It's out after 11 years.
Yeah, of us shooting it.
I know.
We shot it in 2013 and it got shelved.
Yeah.
And Rohit, Adarsh and I grew up and went on with our lives. Luckily, all 3 of us chose to become actors. And it's crazy that now, once we've all grown up and our films as leading actors have come out, it's watched this.
It's surprising because it's a transition. बचपन से लेके अभी तक.
पर हमारे लिए वो फिल्म मैं 12th क्लास में थी जब मैंने शूट करी थी और for a regular kid from Delhi जब आप 12th के बोर्ड्स दे रहे होते हो, everyone was like, what do you mean you're going to shoot a movie?
Yeah.
So it was, for me, it was very special because I took a big risk and it was the biggest learning experience क्योंकि उससे पहले सिर्फ Rockstar करी थी. And for Adarsh, Rohit also, it was their first experience as a full-fledged lead actor, so to say. So even though it didn't release, it taught us a lot. पर बहुत patience.
I know.
I almost forgot. Like I was like, अब तो ये नहीं होने वाला है. So I had forgotten about it, and then suddenly the Z5 team called and they said that we're
finally आ गई.
हाँ. और फिर 13 साल बाद Rockstar release हुई है अभी, re-release in theater.
Did you go and watch it again?
Of course I went. Of course I went.
You went with the family or friends?
I actually went with some members of the crew because we're all still very, very close. It was
lovely,
like a family, and the theater was packed. every seat was packed, everyone was singing Kun Faya Kun
Of course.
and preempting every dialogue. And I felt like I'm actually watching the film properly, you know, a little bit for the first time because मैं 13 साल की थी when I played Mandy और
Yeah.
Rockstar is too nuanced a film for such a young
course.
teenager to understand.
Yeah.
So now that I'm a grown-up lady, I understood it a lot better.
But आपका जो transition है ना, I love it. 4 years, 11 years, and it's not re-releasing but also reliving.
Fully reliving.
है ना?
Fully reliving and getting to relive it with, you know, now that I'm deeper into the movies, I'm a artist and this is what I do.
Yeah.
So I get to really experience it in a very special way. Yeah.
And I was surprised by seeing the cast. वो भी दिन थे कि you know, it's a powerful cast. 11 साल पहले रोहित सराफ, you and Adarsh, like what a trio, combo.
Yeah.
What a trio.
Yeah, and this was when we were just babies,
Yeah.
really. Which is why, like, I wish that we get to come back again together and do a friendship film today, where we all are in our careers respectively.
We need a part 2?
A part 2, which will get made and released quickly.
I would love to watch it, part
Right.
2. Huh?
So then we should
Grown
manifest
up.
it.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm just imagining it in my head.
It would be fun.
है ना?
Fully, and I mean, he's my best friend in life as well, so it would be such a blast to do that.
We are giving ideas. Please, part 2 बनाओ उसका. Also, I wanted to ask you, we loved you in Dil Bechara, Kadak Singh. What is that one film of yours you're emotionally connected to?
You know, I think because I'm still early on in this journey as like playing leading parts, I get very, very attached to every film, but in a different way. Like what my emotion around playing Sakshi in Kadak Singh is very different from Kizzy. And Kizzy will always have that special alag place because it was the first, it was a dream team, and The Fault in Our Stars is such an iconic.
Of course.
It was a film I loved watching when I was a teenager. It's a book I've read so many times. So getting to play the Indian Hazel Grace Lancaster when you're just 21 years old, it was very, very surreal.
Magical
For sure. So that has that special place because of the first element. But even Manjari and Dhak Dhak, honestly, like it's playing a sweet little girl from Mathura who's so far away from who I am. They're all special without trying to sound cliched.
Okay.
But yeah.
If you had to choose one,
I think Kizzy. I would choose Kizzy because I lived her the most.
Yeah.
I lived her for the longest time and I became her. Like my friends and family used to literally be like, we didn't meet Sanj for 2 years.
My God.
We were just meeting Kizzy.
You were just in the process.
I really, really let myself go with that one. Yeah.
But you are totally in the character. We can feel it. And how do you process that? How do you get into that character? Do you have a ritual?
I'm developing rituals in a way. I think I don't know how fun it is for others to hear about actors' processes. So I don't like talking about it too much. But as you do more and more work, you have to develop your own tools. Because honestly, what I did with Kizzy and Dil Bechara in terms of letting myself just go, you can't keep doing that. You have to also separate life and work and preserve yourself. So I'm learning that now. Where I could do a very heavy scene on set, but when I come back home or when I'm with my friends, I'm still Sanjana. That's very important from a balance perspective. Yeah.
We've seen that. Talking about balance, we've seen that you keep a good balance. You're not really spotted like paparazzis and all. You're not spotted easily.
Yeah.
You keep that balance.
Yeah.
Do you
I
like
do it
that?
consciously. I do it very consciously.
Okay.
Because it's just the type of person I am. You know, I love the media. I love my job.
Yeah.
But I'm also like, I'm a Virgo, so I have a very like isolated side to myself.
Yeah.
So I do it when I need to, when I feel like, but not always.
Oh, not always.
So your observation is accurate, I would say. It's very accurate. Yeah.
Thank you.
And that creates a little bit of fun also,
Yeah.
then with the paps also. Like they also know that okay, if this
Finally,
like
Sanjana
yeah,
okay.
it's not like her rules.
Yeah. It was ठीक है. Once in a blue moon.
Yeah. ईद का चांद.
ईद का चांद आज बन के भी आई है, प्यारी लग रही है काफी. मुझे एक डिबेट तो नहीं करना है, बट यू आर फ्रॉम दिल्ली.
अरे यार,
ठीक
I
है.
know where this is going.
मैं तो आई विल टेल यू वेयर आई एम गोइंग. ठीक है, दिल्ली का खाना, मुंबई का खाना. चूज वन.
You know, this question should be scrapped because the answer is only one. I'm sorry, but Delhi food is a winner. Like,
ओके.
yeah.
मैं पता है कहाँ जा रही थी. आई सपोर्ट दिल्ली. आई एम
Yeah.
फ्रॉम मुंबई, बट दिल्ली का खाना.
है ना? It's just,
हाँ.
yeah, it's just,
दिल्ली
you
का-
have to accept it.
दिल्ली
There's
के
no point
momos.
fighting it. दिल्ली के
इधर के तो
momos. इधर भी
अच्छे
अब
हैं.
there's actually like a few Tibetan type of spots that have
I
opened
know
up.
one. I know.
Suraj Lama.
सूरज राम तो ठीक है, द दार्जिलिंग.
Yeah.
है ना?
I love it.
I
Yeti is also here
Yeah.
now. So there's good stuff, but
We'll go for a
yeah,
date.
a momo date should happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, but honestly मैंने मतलब 6 साल बिता दिए हैं बटर चिकन ढूंढते ढूंढते बॉम्बे में, पर मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिला है. तो अब I have reached this, I will sound like a
Yeah.
maniac, but I have made my mom buy a vacuum pack machine in our Delhi house.
Okay.
एंड मिनी मुगल मेरा फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट है दिल्ली में. वहां से बटर चिकन आता है. जब भी मैं दिल्ली जाती हूँ, मॉम पैक करके फ्रीज करके भेजती है.
Oh my god.
Because I couldn't live
Yeah.
without it.
So I'll tell my mother. She'll make butter chicken for you and I'll get it for you.
Please do.
ये पक्की
Please
बात
do.
है.
हाँ,
I will get it
घर
for you.
का is a different vibe only.
My mother makes really good butter chicken.
Okay, don't tease me now.
नहीं, मैं लेके आऊंगी.
I don't even live with my mom in Bombay.
I'm
No.
sorry. मैं आप मेरे घर पे आ जाओ.
हाँ.
We'll do a butter chicken date कर लेते हैं.
अच्छा, बस डेट पे डेट. आपके पास असली डेट नहीं है?
उस पे आएंगे. हाँ, डेट से बात निकली है, तो let's
Oh,
talk about
honestly.
your relationship status right now.
I have now decided that until there's like a rock on my finger,
Okay.
I am single.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
But we have
You
a
have to-
segment जिससे पता चलेगा what are your choices.
Okay.
Okay? It's called इश्क और रिस्क.
Okay.
ठीक है? I'm going to give you questions. You have to say अगर वो आपके लिए इश्क है या रिस्क है.
ठीक है.
If you'll avoid them or
Okay.
okay. When he wants to keep your relationship private.
I think honestly it's about what you're feeling, but it's also ishq because कभी-कभी ज़्यादा ही बात करके the nazar thing I think is real to an
Yeah.
extent, ना?
नजर लग.
So not private that किसी को बताना नहीं है और झूठ बोलना है, but just like keeping it low key.
Yeah. You like it, okay.
Yeah.
कोई होता है ना Instagram पे पहले ही पोस्ट लगा देते हैं.
हाँ.
है ना?
That yeah. No judgment though.
कोई नहीं. When he doesn't get along with your mother.
Dude, it's not a risk for me, it's a risk for him. Like, for his own sake, he should get along with my mother.
फैमिली के साथ वाइब तो अलग ही वाइब है.
मतलब, हाँ, my logic there is that if you love someone,
Yeah.
getting along with the people close to who you love should be easy,
Yeah.
ideally. If there's something off, then there's something
Risky.
off. Yeah, risky for sure.
When he has a goal best friend.
Dude, foolish. He should. He'll understand women better.
Wow.
100%. 100%.
That's
I have more male best friends than I do female
Same.
best friends.
Yeah, I understand this perspective क्योंकि बहुत लोगों का होता है कि नहीं यार नहीं होनी चाहिए, मैं ही उसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड होनी चाहिए.
नहीं. Please, best
So
friend.
I understand
yeah.
this because
And best friends do a lot of heavy lifting also, yeah. Someone else also needs to do the counseling and
Yeah.
all that. Yeah.
when he's stuck at what are we zone.
Major risk.
Risk.
Yeah, major red flag, major risk. This whole like give each stage of a relationship a title
Yeah.
is unnecessary because at least I like to just let things flow.
Yeah.
It's just nicer that way. Yeah.
He's over possessive about you.
Depends. Like if that over possessiveness has weird ways of coming out. If you're over possessive in a healthy way and you can handle it, then good for you. Because otherwise, if you're over possessive and dating an actor, it's not going to turn out well
Yeah.
at all. Yeah.
It's a ishq or risk for you.
It's not something I love, so it's a
Okay.
risk only.
Risk.
I don't like appreciate that
Yeah.
quality. Yeah.
He doesn't like Bollywood movie nights.
Just get out of the house. Like, just don't even exist then. Risk.
One last question for you. What's next? What are we expecting from Sanjana? And one message for your fans.
So, it's that awkward phase
Okay.
when things aren't officially out there. But what's next is that it's feeling like a little bit of a next phase of
Yeah.
my career because, 4 films are out and now I'm a lot more confident in the type of stuff I want to do. So I'm finally venturing into the series world, which I'm very excited about.
Lovely.
Getting to play a character in a fleshed out way. We'll at some point start shooting for Dhak Dhak sequel as well, which will be very exciting.
I am
very
excited.
proud that that's happening. And the rest you will know soon.
We are excited. One message for your fans.
A message for my fans is just, this on 4 years of Dil Bechara, like you said, it was just a reminder of the kind of place you've given me in your heart, and I have so much gratitude for that. So thank you, and I love you guys to the moon and back.
It was lovely having you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. This is so fun.
Thank you.